Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have your table. Place the lookup value in a cell and select the target output cell. Start typing equals match and point to the lookup value, then drag to highlight the lookup array. Choose the match type explicitly. Use 0 for exact matches, 1 for nearest smaller, or -1 for nearest larger. Once done, close the parentheses and press Enter to see the row index. Make sure the lookup array is a single column or single row for reliable results. Once you have match returning a position, nest it inside index to retrieve the actual value. Equals index, return range match. This is why match matters. It converts a lookup into a position that index can use. Make the lookup array absolute with $signs before copying across cells. Also wrap match and IFR to display a friendly message when nothing is found. This prevents hash and slash errors from breaking downstream calculations. Make sure ranges align exactly inside. You're almost done. Test the formula across a few known examples to confirm positions are correct. If results look off, check for numbers stored as text or extra spaces. Use value, trim, or clean to normalize inputs. Remember, do not sort when using match type 0, only sort for 1 or -1. One key troubleshooting tip: if match returns hash and slash a, confirm the lookup value exactly matches the array type and remove invisible characters. That resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.